Hi everyone, and welcome back to Making Games with Unity. So today I'm going to show you on how to create an HP bar. HP bar is something like this, if you can see it on my screen right now. So now we have some scene here. So I created a simple player that can move around. The green spear is the poison and the yellow spear is the food. So if I pick the poison, something like this, boom, you will notice that it will damage my health, it will decrease my health. So if I collect all of these 5, I'm going to have an HP bar of 0. So you see here that I actually died, so player died. So now I'm going to pick up the yellow spear, and then it will increase my health. So after collecting this 5 spear, you will see some message here that player HP is full. So now I'm going to show you guys on how to create this HP bar, and that is super simple, and I'm going to show it right now. So yeah, if you wanted to learn how to do that, please watch this video. Alright, so right now we are in the Unity scene, and you will see that my HP bar is something like this. It's created by I use a slider to create that HP bar, and I just added this text just to put HP on that. So I'm going to replicate this same HP bar, and I'm going to show you on how I did that. So first thing is go to your canvas, right click, then choose UI, then select slider, and now you will have sliders something like this. So now I'm going to double click this slider, and we're going to modify it here. So the first thing you need to do is go to the handle slide, and we need to delete that because we don't need that. So right now we have this slider bar. So right now you will see that if I move this value, it's moving, right? But the problem is it just moved until the end. So we need to modify that so that it fills everything. So now I'm going to drag that until that point, and also this arrow here, so I'm going to drag it there and adjust it again. Alright, so let's see the slider from 0 to 100. So actually that's it actually, and then you just need to change the color field to red so that it looks like an HP bar, and then just check the slider again, and then yeah, it moves now. And then see that a small thing there, you can just leave it like that, or you can put some UI or design just to block that thing. But right now we have a working HP slider here, so I'm going to rename this to let's say HP bar slider, something like that. So now we can easily put this slider on the top right corner again. So just hold Control and Alt, then click this one, and then you will see that our HP bar, our new HP bar is here now. And then I'm just going to drag it like that. I'm going to put it there, and then I'm going to add another text. Choose right click on the canvas, choose UI, text message row, and then I'm just going to put HP again, and then click this center thing, the records form, hold Control and Alt, click the top right, and then you will see that the new HP is there. And then we just need to resize it so that it fits well on our new HP bar, and then change the fonts to maybe 20 or maybe 15, and then there you go, we have a HP bar now. And then the next thing we need to do is use that HP bar. So right now inside my player I got a move controller script, and then inside the script we're going to open it. So let's wait for a while. Alright, so right now if we go inside, this is the first HP bar that I'm using. So I'm going to recreate that one, and I'm going to put this slider HP bar 2. So right now we get HP bar 2 here, and then we can go back to our Unity scene, and then from there you will see that there's another HP bar 2 here. I'm just going to drop this HP bar slider to it, and there you go. And then going back to our script, so we got HP bar here, and then to update the slider or our HP bar, we just need to do something like this. So right now I'm just going to put HP bar 2 here, then that value, and then if they get approved, we will add them, we will add some 20. So plus equals to it means I want to add 20 on HP bar 2 value, so we're just going to do that. And then to subtract a value, we just need to replace the plus with minus. So right now everything is there and it's working. So I'm going to go to our scene now, and then we're going to play this. So right now you will notice that whatever happened to the HP bar on this one and on our new one, it will both happen for both of them. But we get some issue here. It becomes something like that quickly. So we forget something. Just go to HP bar slider, and we need to check here. So right now on our first HP bar, we are using a max value of 100, and yeah, we need to take the whole number of course. So in here we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put 100 here, and then we're going to slide it to fill the HP bar, and then we just need to play it again. And now we can pick. So see, whatever happened to our first HP bar is also happening on our second one. So if we pick some food, and then it will just increase the health. So poison for decreased health, so food for increased health. So that's how you're gonna use slider to become your HP bar. So let's see the code. Alright, I'm going to explain this code that we have here. So this code is called move controller. So the purpose of this code is just to move our character. So you will notice that in here we got some on trigger enter. It means that if the player hit the spear, the green and the yellow, the green for the poison, the yellow for the food. So in here I'm checking if the tag for this spear is food or poison. If that is food, I'm going to add 20. If that is poison, I'm going to minus 20. So in here you also notice that I get some if. So this if is just to make sure that the value will not exceed 100, or the value will not be less than 0. That's the purpose of this if. And the rest is just checking if the player is grounded, and this one is for moving the character, this one. So yeah, I just picked this script on the Unity website, but the problem here right now is I feel like the ground is grounded, sometimes is a bit clunky or not working. So yeah, you need to fix that by creating a raycast, and yeah, pointing that raycast downward. And then this part of code here, this one is for jumping the player, but you didn't notice that I do that in our demo, but I'm going to show it now. Just what I tell you guys, it's a bit clunky, so sometimes it works, sometimes it didn't. So yeah, on that time it works, and yeah, the jump is really ugly. So that's the code. So if you want to add some numbers on your UI, we can also do that. So yeah, let's just right click on the canvas again, choose text mesh pro, and then I'll just put 100 over 100. Hey, come on, work. 100. So now this text, I'm just going to put HP text. What? HP text. Okay, something like that. Alright, so I'm going to put use this right transform tool again, and then choose top left. Come on. Alright, so it's there now. We can drag this somewhere here, adjust it, use the tool here to resize it. So I'm going to put it somewhere like that, and then I'm going to adjust the font to 15 so it fits something like that. Okay, so right now I can move this a bit forward like that, and then adjust it more. And then for HP, I'm just going to put colon here. So right now you will see that, yeah, it becomes something like this. It's 100 over 100. So right now we're going to go back to our code, go to move controller, which is our code, and right now we're going to create a new public here so that we can access that new text field. So text mesh for GUI, so that's that text. So I'm going to put HP text here, but it seems we got some issue, yeah, because our scene is running. So yeah, don't do that. You'll have this issue when you are modifying the code while it's running. So yeah, stop first and then continue coding. So right now we got some HP text here. So if we go to our Unity and click our player, you will see this move player script here, and we can drag that HP text there. So yeah, to make sure that it's the correct thing. Oh yeah, that's a problem. We created that text during runtime, that's why when we stop it, it's not there anymore. So we need to create that thing again. Put some 100 over 100. Put that in the top right corner again. Go to the text. Move it again behind besides our HP bar, something like that, and then something like that. Move this like this. Change the font size to that, and then yeah, just add something here. Now we have that text, and then click player, and then let's modify this HP text, and then drag some on to our HP text to our code here. So right now we are sure that that's the 100. So let's go back to our code, copy that HP text, and then we can put it here. We can call that set text. So in here we're going to put the value of HP bar, and then we're going to put something that, and then we're gonna put it here, and then over 100. So this thing you'll find it on our YouTube videos. You can use this so that you can put this open curly bracket here and close curly bracket. So using that, the value will show on the text with a string, of course. So yeah, we get some issue here like repeated forward access built-in inefficient, but we'll just ignore that. But because I feel that this thing will work, so I just save that. Let's go back to our Unity scene and let's play that and see what happened. So I'm going to pick the green thing. So you'll see that the value become 8100, 6100, 4100, 2100, and 0100. So I'm going to pick the food, which is the yellow sphere, 40, 60, 80, 100. So yeah, that's it, guys. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to put like, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so that yeah, we can create a lot of videos. Yeah, we will make more videos in the future, once you guys of course still subscribe. And yeah, if the people still want the channel to create more videos or tutorial, yeah, we will make it. So yeah, please like, subscribe, share, and yeah, that's all, guys. So see you on our next video, and yeah, I hope you like this one. Bye bye.